of Bethlehem, Judea, during the reign of King Herod. At about that time, some astrologers from eastern lands arrived in Jerusalem asking, "Where is the newborn King of Jews? For we have seen his star in far-off eastern lands, and have come to worship him." King Herod was deeply disturbed by their question, and all Jerusalem was filled with rumors. He called a meeting of the Jewish leaders. "Did the prophets tell us where the Messiah would be born?" he asked. "Yes, in Bethlehem," they said. "But this is what the prophet Micah wrote. O little town of Bethlehem, you are not just an unimportant Judean village, for a governor shall rise from you to rule my people Israel."
Then Herod sent a private message to the astrologers, asking them to come to see him. At this meeting, he found out from them the exact time when they first saw the star. Then he told them, "Go to Bethlehem and search for the child, and when you find him, come back and tell me, so that I too can go and worship him." After this interview, the astrologers started out again, and look, the star appeared to them again, standing over Bethlehem. Their joy knew no bounds. Entering the house where the baby and Mary his mother were, they threw themselves down before him, worshipping. They opened their presents and gave him gold, frankincense, and myrrh. But when they returned to their own land, they didn't go through Jerusalem to report to Herod, for God had warned them in a dream to go home another way.